No. Once we're done, can you take a picture? I want to keep this as a memory. Here, check out. We should use some of the big snow as for the roof.
Sure? Because what if that falls on us? Oh no. We're gonna be covered in snow.
And sticks.
No, I don't think.
Never mind.
Dario, can you?
What?
Excuse me.
Joe, you could use this to collect for the. You could put in for the big snow.
Oh wait, no, Boo, you can use that. Fluffy
Let's start doing this.
No, not yet.
For some reason,
This covered my cold hand.
yeah.
There we go.
I'm gonna make some more ice blocks. Fluffy snow. Yeah, I need some. I have a feeling this piece is gonna fall.
Hey.
Sorry.
I wonder where that kid went.
Yeah, where did they
Oh,
go?
he's still.
They still there?
Yeah.
Oh. That's good.
Good job. Good job, guys.
And we did this all by ourselves.
Good
As
job.
a little kid. But, yeah, all the kids did this.
Ice block.
Can we fit in here? I need to test if we can fit in here. It looks like it could be good for us.
I got an ice block.
Ooh, thank you. This looks like it could fit 4 people. Or 5 maybe.
Here you go.
Thank you. Ooh, it's a break. If I could.
Here. Hi.
Good job.
Let me make this piece of that
Right here, Bob.
cut this piece. Oh, use this piece. No.
Another ice block.
Thank you. I think this area is done.
Another.
Yeah. Just gonna make it a bit taller.
You guys gonna put the roof?
A little.
Oh, I think I have my gloves here. Shoot. Good.
Yeah, yeah.
Then you're just gonna put the roof? How?
I'm not so sure about that.
We're making
Upper down.
the
We need
roof
some
out of
fluffy
sticks.
snow here.
You don't have to, but you have to, I know.
But
You don't have
it
to use
makes,
sticks, but
it makes the wall stronger. Like cement. Or whatever holds the bricks
Yeah.
together. Is it?
in Alaska, they use the snow. Doon no? Gagawa lang sila, no? Oh, dito na. Dito na ako titira, ha?
I
Yung iglo nila, may ano sila yung hulmahan.
Aha.
Lalagyan nila
Ginagawa
ng,
ng
ano,
bricks.
ng tubig.
Mhm.
Titigas yun, maging bricks na yun.
Lamig siguro.
Pag ano,
May heater ka kaya?
parang pase. Wala, apoy lang yun.
My voice down. Oh no.
Talaga doon, saglit lang. Hindi yun yung ganun.
Aha.
Negative pa naman.
Can I have some coffee still, please? Thank you.
Ito, kaso basag na rin. Tingnan mo ng epoxy kaya ito.
Mhm, pwede.
No, they're
Gano'n
leaving.
yung ganito?
Hindi ko na alam.
50.
Hmm.
Mga epoxy siguro.
Meron sa...
Bye!
See ya!
Bye!
It's nice knowing ya.
Pero sa Goodwill, maraming din yun eh.
What? I might need that case someday. I mean, sometimes. When we're done, we have to get on to the roof.
How about this side, bro? Bro, deal with this side.
Oh yeah, we didn't do that part.
So,
But Jaden's already there. You go.
So, hindi kayo sigurado kung uwi.
Hindi pa 100%. We'll see. Kung hindi lang kami nabakbakan ng gastos,
Aha.
bili na agad ako ng tigil. Marami na mga
Hindi,
sinangyari.
importante naman yung van niya.
Sunod, men. Naiyak na nga ako eh.
Ayun talaga.
Lalo na nanakaw yung kataliktik ko.
Oo.
Wala kaming
I'm
kotse.
smelling.
Mahal na, no?
Kasi yung van
What time is it?
hindi na umaandar yung
Is the day gonna end?
truck na lang.
Ah.
Hatid ako, uwi ako bus.
Is it already past 12?
Ito nung
What?
pasok na
What?
sila sa school, oh.
Ah,
Nanakaw yung ano.
kapalitan.
That was
Wala na akong
fast.
gagamitin.
May binibigay ng kotse si Mario ah. Nandun nakapark doon sa UCLA. Puta, ang baho naman. Nissan siya. Pero yung bumper niya sira-sira. Gumaandar daw eh. Pero ang problema ron yung mga fees. Hindi ko alam kung... Sinining, nandun dalawa kotse niya.
Yung,
Para-
gastusan na lang ng ano,
When are we leaving?
ng car wash. Yung ano,
Tignan mo kay Nineng. Tama pinuntahan ko eh. Nangangamoy yung loob. Kasi yung aso daw ni Mario, doon daw nakatira.
yun talaga.
Doon daw namatay doon. Yan ko. Pero yung face sa DMV, hindi ko alam kung...
Yung jurisdiction,
hindi ko alam kung marami.
up to date.
Mhm.
Shut down here.
Kasi pag pinabayaan mo yun, ano yun, dodoble.
Yes. Kung interesado ka,
Ano yun?
kasi meron din doon yung van, punong
Thanks for helping
luma
us.
na eh. Hindi, binibigay sa akin, sabi ko wala akong tayo magkumpuni. Kasi may mag-work pagka balik namin dito. Ano lang,
Part-time.
under the table.
Oh,
Maghanap din ako ng kotse siguro kung sakasakali. If not, isang kotse lang.
This
kung
really
mabaho
needs.
naman, detail mo, $100.
Aha.
Titirahin nila yun, pati loob.
Oh yeah?
No, no.
150 siguro, sabihin natin.
Yung ano daw eh,
Pati loob,
oh yeah?
papanatan nila yun. Pati mga carpet,
Boo boo, I keep on breaking
detailing,
things.
mga detailing.
Pwede rin.
Kung maganda yung makina, mas
Yun
mabaho
nga lang,
na.
battery lang daw ang ano dun eh.
Yun. Kaya gastusan mo na lang ng detail.
Aha.
100 lang yun. Kung gusto mo, mga 150 siguro.
Tignan ko kung nandun pa.
Bro.
Pati likod, ay pati loob.
Aha.
Tirahin nila yun. Talagang fully labas loob.
Aha. Ano yun eh? Toyota ba yun?
Ayan, matibay yun. Toyota.
Toyota?
Sa mga Toyota, reliable.
Ah,
Ang sa-
local ka lang naman eh.
Ang patagalan, oh.
Yeah. Pwede kay May yun.
Oo, dito, doon lang.
Ah,
Pwede yun.
pwede no? Detail mo lang no?
Oo, may nagdi-detail.
Sa loob.
Parang bago yun, magkatapos. Tapusan mo lang ng mga 100 to 150.
Mhm.
Tapos kung bumper,
This feels like really
Alam-
cold
Cosmetic
sand.
lang eh.
ni-install lang yun, pag million lang yun.
Aha, madali
Kuha ka
lang
sa
yun.
ano,
I did it. I
kuha
fixed
ka
this
sa figure
wall.
parts ng
Yeah.
isang buo. Ganon ginawa dati sa kotse ni Mang eh. Natanggal yung bumper.
I think I'm fine just the way it is.
This good enough for the other side?
Parang ano lang yun, tornilyo.
Madali lang yung cosmetic pero yung
Mag dati oh.
yung face niya sa DMV
Oo, yun.
ano mangyayari kasi nakapark daw doon eh nung na-confine si Mario doon sa UCLA.
Oo.
Pinark niya doon, hindi niya na ilang months na.
Hindi niya na kinuha.
Hindi niya na kinuha.
Paano siya naalis? Umalis.
Hindi ko na.
Back. Yun yung mahirap yung registration kasi pag hindi mo na-report yun, ano yun, papatong.
Ayun nga, ayun nga.
Alamin mo muna.
Aha.
Man-check mo na online yun eh, kung naka-DMD.
Aha.
Tapos lagay mo yung bin number.
Randomly mine.
It's not even that cold.
Bakit ayaw niya na, dalawa kotse niya?
Eh, hindi na nga tinanggal
Look at
na
the-
lang daw
look at
ng
that.
lisensya kasi
The pile.
malabo na yung
He
mata.
took
Ah,
a
hindi na
lot
siya-
of it.
Yeah.
I do not know how.
He's just strong like that.
Tsaka ang Toyota, madaling ayusin yung makina. Hindi ako siya ng iba na parts.
Yeah.
This is gonna either melt or fall apart, or be destroyed by a bunch of random kids.
Pag hindi pa na to,
Everything has its
ang
Hospital
ba-
ba?
As long as it's up while I'm here, it's fine.
who knows?
Sa mga ano,
A kid might see through it.
kalsada. Pero sa hospital, hindi nga ganun.
Ah.
Saan ngayon nakatira si ano? Sa Lani, kay Mario.
Hindi. May rompuran siya. Si Mario sa Convalescent.
Oo.
Pinick up namin sa Convalescent. Malapit yun sa inyo eh.
Sa ano, beach.
Mhm. So may 4th Street.
Hapon.
Nag-left ka ng 4th Street. Merong Convalescent doon.
Malapit na yun. Sa Roger, no? Wawa rin.
Yes. Ganun talaga. Na-confine daw siya ulit o yung last time yung alam ko last time sinabi sa akin ni Ninong.
Oo, yun.
Yun yan.
Punta.
Eh uwi na naman daw siya ng Pinas eh.
Ano yun?
April. Hindi ko alam.
Doon na siya ano?
Bahala siya. Silang dalawa ni Melio. Sa atin yun na yan.
Hindi pa naman libre dialysis.
So, sa Pinas.
And have some
There's a whole bunch of fluffy snow here.
Ewan ko, hindi na yata. At sabi rin kasi ni Ray, sabi niya, tignan ko 1 year. Kung ano. Eh, paano ka makabalik dito kung wala ka naman?
May trabaho na rin sabi sigurado.
Siguro. Ewan ko, condo yun o ano. Kasi may nag-FaceTime sa akin. Sa labas may ano eh, swimming pool eh. Mukhang apartment, ang mukha rin condo.
Bobo, you want to eat?
No, I'm not hungry.
Ayaw. Alam mo, ang kwento niya sa akin dati. Habang naghahanap daw yung real top ng bahay para sa kanya. Kailangan doon daw sila muna tumira.
Oo.
Kaya parang may hinahanap sa
That's a square one.
Ayan o, may mais o kung gusto niya.
Yung naalis siya kanina ng ano.
Balik na naman. Ano.
Wait,
Kulit din eh.
Jaydan, you want
why are
corn? Or you want McDonald's later?
McDonald's. Will they be coming to our house or no?
Ah!
Tonight is gonna be late.
What's wrong with that?
But they're tired.
I'm not tired.
You can.
Is that it? No!
But,
Ah, yes.
man, you fit in there.
Yeah.
Because I'm the smallest.
Ano sabi ni Ray? Dapat doon siya mag-stay.
Parang yun yata yung sabi nung
What's
sabi
that?
nung ano.
Aha.
Na dito mo na kaya mag-stay.
This still needs.
Pa naghahanap ka.
Too lazy to finish it though.
Tapos mali pa pala yung nung kumain kami